Project Tutorial 5 Lm2596 DC to DC Buck Converter. You are watching Tronics Technical Project with Sushil Yadav. In this tutorial, we will learn how to control Lm2596 module. For that, we need a power supply and a power cable, which we have to connect with 220 volt AC. Here we are using 24 volt 3 ampere SMPS. We will connect the two leads of power cable with line and neutral of our SMPS. As you can see that here, line and neutral of SMPS. Here it is written line and neutral. So here it is LM2596 module. You can see that here the main IC, the name of main IC is written LM2596. Moving on, this is an input positive side and this is an input negative side, and this is an output side positive side and this is output negative side. So just see here, input voltage limit. As you can see that input voltage limit, we can provide minimum to minimum 3.2 volt and maximum to maximum 40 volt to the input side. And just look at here, it is an output voltage parameters. We can receive 1.2 volt minimum and 37 volt maximum output DC, and we can receive max to max 3 ampere current rating. So now moving on, we will connect the input side. We will connect the input side of our module buck converter with the positive side of our SMPS. Yes, here you can see that it is written positive V. Okay, moving on, connect the negative side. Connect the negative side. This one is negative side. Connect the negative side with the negative of SMPS. Okay, moving on, the operating temperature is -45 to +85 degrees Celsius. It can operate in coldest to coldest days, or you can say that at coldest place where -45 degree minimum to minimum, and in hottest place it should be below positive 85 degrees Celsius. Moving on, this blue thing here is a potentiometer. So what is the use of this potentiometer? Because LM2596 module is a variable step down DC to DC module which converts high voltage DC to low voltage DC. So first of all, we need a multimeter to check the output voltage of this module. We are giving 24 volt DC. So okay, we are using a multimeter. First of all, the point to be noted is that you have to set your multimeter in 200 volt limit and at DC side. This is a DC side indication. After that, connect the output, the negative output, with black wire of multimeter, and the positive output with the red wire of multimeter. Okay, what happen if we will move this potentiometer in a clockwise direction? So as you can see that here, when you will move it clockwise, the voltage will increase. So you can see that in a multimeter the voltage is increasing and we are moving it in a clockwise direction. So when we will move it in a clockwise direction, the voltage from minimum to minimum 1.2 to 37 volt or max to up to 35 volt, it can vary. Okay, what will happen if we'll move it in a anti-clockwise direction? So see, as you can see in the animation, now we are moving it in a anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction, voltage decreases. So you can see that in a multimeter, now the voltage is decreasing. So when we are moving it in a clockwise direction, the voltage just increases, and when we are moving in an anti-clockwise direction, the voltage will decrease. So this is how our Lm2596 module or DC to DC buck converter work. Thank you, and please subscribe for other. Thank you, and please subscribe for my other upcoming videos.